Hello everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to make some basic biscuits. The ingredients you will need are 250 grams of butter or margarine, 1 egg, 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of bicarb, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Now, get a parent to help you set the oven for 180 degrees. Now you need to spray a baking sheet with non-stick spray. You will need a parent to help you cream the butter and the sugar. Right. No. Now the sugar. After you cream the butter and the sugar, mix the egg and the vanilla essence. Here you go. Now you stir it. Stir it well. Next step is to serve your dry ingredients into your butter mixture and mix well. Now, the salt, now serve. There you go. Now you mix. And well. Now you'll need to roll them into balls and place them on your baking sheet. That's what I'm doing now. There you go. Now you can put some flour on your hands and then roll some more. Once you've rolled your balls, lightly press them with your foot, like this. So oven. I like to decorate my biscuits with sugar and some sprinkles before I bake them. Let's do it. Get a grown-up to help you. Put it in the oven for 18 minutes or until golden brown. Now that your biscuits are baked, get a grown-up to help you get the biscuits out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Great.